Cube of a difference. The cube of a difference is handled in a similar way to the cube of sum. Just be careful with the signs of each term and ensure they are handled in accordance with the sign rule. We have the following shown on screen. In this way, we obtained the fifth special algebraic identity. We have the following shown on screen. Example. Expand using the shortest method, a, 3x minus 2, 3. b, 1 minus 2x, 3. Solution. Again, the shortest method is the direct use of the cube of difference formula. A, we have a equals 3x and b equals 2. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. B, we have a equals 1 and b equals 2x. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 6.3.6. To continue this tutorial, please watch 6.3.7, expanding the algebraic expression of the form a minus b a squared plus ab plus b squared. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.